Imagine a sky filled with hundreds of buzzing drones, moving as one, shifting and flowing like a flock of birds, perfectly synchronized. Below, a soldier issues a simple command: swarm, form a protective dome over the convoy. Instantly, the machines rearrange, creating a defensive shield of sensors and steel. This isn't science fiction. As of February 17, 2026, this is reality, a revolutionary leap in military technology. The era of piloting one drone at a time is ending. Now, a single voice can command an entire orchestra of autonomous machines. This shift elevates the human from pilot to strategic commander, expressing intent rather than micromanaging every move. The soldier doesn't need to know how to fly. They just state their goal. The AI handles the rest, translating wishes into coordinated action. The implications go far beyond the battlefield. Imagine a firefighter commanding a swarm to douse flames, create fire breaks, and search for survivors all at once. Or a rescue worker deploying drones to map rubble and deliver supplies after an earthquake with just a few words. This technology could save countless lives, allowing one person to manage crises on an unimaginable scale. But with great power comes new dangers. The same swarm that protects can also hunt. The leap from human in the loop to human on the loop, where a person supervises, not controls, raises critical questions. As we stand on the cusp of this new age, we must confront issues of control, ethics, and responsibility. The voice that commands the swarm holds unprecedented power, and how we wield it will define the coming century. The race for this future began in secret. In January 2026, the Pentagon's Defense Innovation Unit quietly launched a competition, build a single software system to control vast swarms of drones by voice. The prize? $100 million, and the chance to shape America's next-generation military force. For weeks, only elite tech companies and Pentagon insiders knew. The secrecy was intense, designed to protect intellectual property and outpace rivals like China. That changed on February 16th, when Bloomberg exposed the contest, turning a clandestine race into a public spectacle. Lawmakers demanded answers, ethicists raised alarms, and the world took notice. The stakes had grown. This was now a test of America's technological prowess and ethical boundaries. The $100 million prize was just the beginning. The real reward was shaping the future of autonomous warfare. At the heart of this contest is the Orchestrator AI, a universal translator between human intent and machine action. The goal: a system that understands complex voice commands and converts them into synchronized maneuvers for hundreds of drones across air, land, and sea. Operators simply state objectives. The AI handles the rest, turning strategy into reality. The orchestrator's genius is simplicity. A soldier under fire can command a fleet of robots with plain English. The AI interprets high-level goals, adapts to changing conditions, and executes complex tasks autonomously. This removes the human bottleneck, letting one person manage a vast ecosystem of machines. The Orchestrator AI is a force multiplier, flattening command structures, speeding decisions, and enabling operational complexity once impossible. It is the brain of the swarm, transforming individual drones into a cohesive, intelligent whole. Among the contenders, one stands out: the newly merged SpaceX and xAI. SpaceX brings rocketry, satellite communications, and the Starlink network, a global, secure nervous system for drone swarms. xAI, Elon Musk's AI company, specializes in agentic AI, systems that plan and execute complex tasks autonomously. Together, they offer the Pentagon an end-to-end solution: drones, secure communications, and the Orchestrator AI. This synergy gives them a major edge over competitors lacking either hardware or advanced AI. Elon Musk's pivot from warning against AI arms races to leading their development underscores the stakes. The merger is more than business. It's a leap in the private sector's role in next-gen warfare. SpaceX and xAI aren't just offering a piece of the puzzle, they're offering the entire board. Musk's empire now sits at the forefront of this technological frontier. SpaceX and xAI are formidable, but the contest is a battle of titans. The Defense Innovation Unit invited giants like OpenAI, Alphabet and Anthropic. OpenAI's expertise in language models could make voice command interpretation seamless. Alphabet's DeepMind brings a legacy of groundbreaking AI and robotics. Anthropic focuses on safety and ethics, appealing to a Pentagon wary of autonomous risks. Each company offers a unique approach, pushing the boundaries of AI development. The winner won't just claim 100 millimeter style. Ryder Gonzal. Me, Samber Nedider Stelzer. They'll shape the future of military AI and national security. This contest tests not just technology, but Silicon Valley's willingness to shape the future of defense. The magic of the swarm lies in two technologies, agentic AI and resilient communications. Agentic AI, like xAI's, is the swarm's brain, planning, making decisions, and breaking down commands into hundreds of subtasks. Starlink's satellite network provides a secure, global mesh, relaying instructions instantly, even in contested environments. Drones receive orders, then act autonomously and adaptively. If some are lost, the AI recalculates and reassigns tasks, making the swarm resilient. Each drone has local intelligence, avoiding obstacles, evading threats, and coordinating with neighbors. This distributed intelligence, combined with central oversight, creates a system that's both commanded and adaptive. The result? A hive mind, self-healing, and nearly impossible to neutralize. The fusion of agentic AI, Starlink, and autonomous drones transforms machines into a true intelligent swarm. This is the future of coordinated, resilient, and adaptive warfare. The Pentagon's secrecy wasn't about hiding from the public, it was about protecting the project from adversaries. Nations like China and Russia are relentless in cyber espionage, seeking to steal U.S. military technology. Revealing the contest early would have painted a target, inviting attacks and theft of critical intellectual property. Secrecy shields the technology, preserves surprise, and prevents rivals from developing countermeasures. It also keeps adversaries guessing, buying time to leap ahead. But secrecy has a cost. It breeds distrust and speculation at home. Media leaks fuel conspiracy theories and public anxiety about unaccountable military programs. The Pentagon must balance national security with public trust, a delicate, high-stakes act. The veil of secrecy is both a shield and a source of risk. Voice-controlled drone swarms present a profound ethical dilemma. The same technology that delivers aid after disasters can also be weaponized. Imagine swarms saving lives in hurricanes or search and rescue, then imagine them armed for war. The orchestrator AI could revolutionize public safety, logistics, and disaster response. But it also raises the specter of killer robots, machines making life or death decisions without meaningful human control. Critics warn of catastrophic errors and escalation. The technology is neutral. Its legacy depends on how we use it. The path we choose, saving lives or taking them, will define its ultimate impact. The Pentagon's contest has triggered a global arms race for autonomous swarms. The U.S. has declared its intent to lead, but China is aggressively investing in the same technology. Chinese firms have already demonstrated advanced drone swarms, making this a true race for dominance. The speed of AI-driven warfare could shrink decision times to seconds, increasing the risk of miscalculation and escalation. The impact will ripple worldwide, changing alliances and rendering old military power structures obsolete. A single operator commanding a 1,000-drone army could upend the balance of power. The battlefield of tomorrow will be defined by swarm AI, not tanks or ships. We stand at a crossroads. One path leads to technology that saves lives, the other to a new era of autonomous warfare. The decisions made today will shape the world for generations. Are we ready to unleash this power?